Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne French with Loveleen. And today's video is going to be very interesting for you. You know why? Because in this video, I'm going to solve and explain CBSE Class 10 French board exam sample paper. Yes, I've explained the entire video in 4 parts, exactly according to sections of board exam paper. Like in part 1 of my video, you will see section A, that is Comprehension Écrite, which is of 10 marks. And in this part, I'll show you how to attempt comprehension correctly and explain the strategy step by step. And in my part 2 video, that is the section B, the writing section, which carries 20 marks, you will see I have written and explained the letters in a very simple way. I've also used mind maps, picture memory techniques to make the letters super easy to remember. And in my part 3, section C, the grammar section, which is the biggest part of paper with 30 marks. In this section, I've solved and explained all 9 grammar questions. So it's gonna work as a complete grammar revision for you people for your board exam. And in the part 4, but last but not the least, culture section, which is again of 20 marks, where we will cover the important cultural questions asked in the paper. So stay with me till the end, and this video will help you prepare effectively for your French board exams. So let's see. Okay, so this is part 1, that is Comprehension des Écrits, that is the comprehension. So let's start. Okay, so this is your CBSE website, okay, academic, and here you will find all sample question papers, and here I have opened 10 standard sample question paper, right, of 2025-26, and see here we'll get French paper. Voila, I got it. It is here. You see, this is French paper, right? So I'm gonna open this paper. Voila, and we are gonna solve it. See, this is your 10th question paper, that is sample question paper 2025-26. Right, here you will see it's 80 marks paper, 10 marks of course for comprehension. Right, and then we have 20 marks for expression écrite, that is a writing part, where you will get 10 marks letter. Okay, you will get 3 letters and you have to attempt only 1. And then we have question number 3, where you have ABC 3 parts and you have to attempt only 2. Okay, you will get 3, you have to attempt only 2. And the first is your message writing. Then we have dialogue arrangement. If you see the dialogue arrangement part, otherwise it used to be random dialogues, right? But this time they have done different thing. They have arranged one person's dialogue and another person's dialogues. They have put here random. So you have to arrange these dialogues and put here. Okay. And then we have question number 3 and part C. That is your vocabulary based question. Okay, and then we have very important, that is section C. It's a grammar part. Here you see almost 9 questions are there. Question number 4 is your ton convenable. It's all about tenses. It is a compulsory question. Then we have question number 5, that is trouver la question, and we have a choice with négation. All right. And then we have mettez les phrases au style direct ou indirect. There is no choice. That is direct and indirect speech. That is reported speech. So, but yes, there you will get 7 parts and you have to attempt any 5. Then we have question number 7, where you will find pronom demonstrative, right? And there is a choice with pronom possessive. Okay. And then again, 8th number question, we have pronom relative simple composé, and then you will get choice, and the choice is pronom personnel. And then we'll get a compulsory question, that is subjunctive. All right. But yes, again, subjunctive, you have 7 questions. Here it's written 5. Be careful. It should be 7. So here we have 7 questions, 7 parts, and you have to attempt any 5. Okay. Then we have the culture part, that is of 20 marks. And we have these répondez, that is question answers are there. Again, they have given 7 and you have to attempt any 5. Each question is carrying 2 marks, so do not write one word answer, write properly, okay? Then we have question number 11. It's again a vocabulary based question, but yes, it is on the basis of your culture. D'accord? Après, on a letter, we have question number 12, which has two parts, A and B. One is your associate, that is match it, and another one is your vrai faux, that is true false. D'accord? So now this was the format of the paper, and now without wasting time, we'll start with the first question. But yes, we'll solve the whole paper. This is the best video, of course, for students who are going to attempt their 10th French board exam. But yes, this is a good video for those as well who are preparing for their DELF or other exams, because this is all, everything is there: vocabulary, grammar, even comprehension, everything is there, right? And you must know about the culture, so the culture part is also here. So on attack, let's start. So the first thing is comprehension, that is for 10 marks. And let me tell you, for comprehension, the best strategy is that you first read questions. Yes, first read questions. What happened? Mostly children read first the paragraph, then they read the questions. So that's something confusing, because what happened, then you waste your whole time in reading the comprehension, that is a text. But what happened, when you read the questions first, you come to know actually that what is there in the paragraph and what you have to find out from the paragraph, because the questions are already there. So you easily come to know that where exactly you have to focus. Okay, so let's read questions super quick. So first is répondez aux questions suivantes, that is reply to the following questions. So they have given the au choix, means two, right? Choice they have given, that you have to attempt any two of your choice, and each question is carrying both questions are carrying 2 marks, that is 4 marks you will get here. And the first question is selon l'image. Yes, selon l'image means according to image. So most of the times you will get in board exams, you will get any image, right? And image is also carrying, do not think image hai to chalo koi baat nahi, but image also carrying proper information. So it can be graph, it can be something, image can be there, so some information is there in the image. So the first question is based on the image. So they are asking selon l'image, according to the image. देखो, combien d'euros, how many euros dépense-t-on, we dépenser, that is spend, we spend pour lutter contre le bruit. Lutter means to fight, contre le bruit, that is against the noise. So it doesn't mean fighting like this, it means fighting when we fight against something, like fight against drugs or fight against discrimination, something like that. So lutter contre le bruit, right? So this you have to find out how many euros you are we are spending, right, on lutter contre le bruit. Okay, this is the first question. Keep it in your mind. You will get a proper, paper, so it will be easy for you people to just see questions and do it from the comprehension. But on my screen, I'm not able to show you the whole thing, so I have to scroll down and up like that. So here, then la deuxième question, they have mentioned this for the visually impaired only. Second question, qu'est-ce qui rend difficile l'accès à l'eau possible? D'accord? Qu'est-ce qui rend difficile means what makes it difficult. L'accès à l'eau potable means access to the potable means potable, drinkable water, right? So what makes it difficult to access of to the drinkable water? देखो, means it's something about the pollution or something, this paragraph maybe, because it's about uh, it's difficult to access this potable water. So or something they have given lutter contre le bruit, it's again a noise pollution, something like that. Let's see now. Quels sont second question, quels sont les effets, what are the effects de la pollution? See, I told you it must be about pollution. Sur les lacs, on the lakes. That's about water pollution, that how water pollution is ruining lakes.
And now let's see the troisième question. Pourquoi les mangroves? Pourquoi means why. Les mangroves, that is the mangrove. These are kind of, jungle near sea, right? So it's a dense jungle with trees, many trees. So that is mangrove. Sont-elles importantes, are important, means why these mangroves are important pour l'environnement, for the environment. They are actually important if you have read in your SST or maybe science somewhere. So let's see now in French. Integrity. Now let's see the vrai faux. Now vrai faux is what? There are 6 parts, means each part is carrying half mark. Okay, and these all are compulsory. You have to do all. So, la première partie, c'est quoi? Les écosystèmes means this is les écosystèmes aquatiques, that is aquatic ecosystem. So, this paragraph is going to be related to aquatic ecosystem. Disparaissent means disappearing. Les écosystèmes aquatiques disparaissent means the aquatic ecosystem is disappearing à cause de means because of la bonne gestion de l'eau. The good management of water. This question is even this statement is even wrong. I mean, so the answer is 4 only, because the aquatic ecosystem is disappearing because of the bonne gestion. Bonne means good management. Because of good management, any ecosystem cannot disappear. So it is actually wrong. That is 4. But we'll see the paragraph. Okay, we'll check the text, what is written there. I believe it's gonna be wrong. Then let's see the second part. Les rivières, that is the rivers, ont moins d'eau. Moins means less. Okay. Ont moins d'eau, that is have less water. Ce qui means which affects 107 millions de personnes, which affects 107 millions of people. Is it so? We'll check in the paragraph. Troisième, la pollution des lacs rend l'eau meilleure pour la santé. It's again 4, definitely 4. Without reading paragraph, I can tell you, but yes, we'll read paragraph. What exactly they are saying? La pollution des lacs, that is the pollution of lakes, rend l'eau, makes the water meilleur, better. Pour la santé. Santé is health. Is it? If there is pollution in the lake, then that makes the water healthy? Better for health? No. So must be 4. But yes, we'll read the text, what exactly they want to say. Then the quatrième. Les mangroves aid. Aid means help. So mangrove, I already told you, those are kind of, jungle, dense, what we say, trees, right? So les mangroves aid à filtrer. These mangrove aid, that is helps. À filtrer means to filter. L'eau, it helps to filter water. Et à stocker. Stocker means to store. Le carbone, the carbon. Is it so? We'll see. Cinquième, fifth part is les investissements, that is the investments pour protéger, to protect l'eau, water. Ont augmenté, that is augmenté means to increase. Means the investments have been increased. Entre 2015, between 2015 et 2021. Between 2015 to 2021, do the investments, to protect water have been increased? Means they are investing more money? That we have to check. Okay. Then we have the sixième, that is the 6th part they have given. Si les problèmes continuent. So the question or whatever the statement starts with si, if. Si les problèmes continuent, if these problems continue, or if the problems continue, des millions de personnes, that is a millions of people, pourraient ne pas avoir d'eau potable. So could not be able to have the drinkable water, that is d'eau potable, drinkable water. So see, now you got an idea, by reading questions only, that this is about ecosystem, pollution in the river, and about water, right? It's getting all dirty and it's not potable now anymore, something like that. How many people are getting affected because of that? So we have to figure out all those things. We'll read paragraph and we'll get answers easily. Now we know what we have to find out from the paragraph. Yes, now they have given few more things, that is trouver dans la texte. This is a important one. Okay, you see, otherwise everything is important, but let's see. Trouver dans la texte means find out from the text. So what do you have to find out here? Trois au choix. So they have given 5 things. You can attempt 3. Board gives me choice a lot. That's good for you. Okay, trois au choix means you have to attempt any 3, right? So each carrying 1 mark. It's really, you can get more marks in scoring up. So you see, in preposition, just one preposition you have to find out from the paragraph and you'll get 1 mark. Easy, huh? Then, deuxième, c'est quoi? Forme verbale de protection. Forme verbale, that is the verb form of protection. Protection means protection. So, the verb form of protection. Protection is actually noun, la protection. So, what is the verb of this? That we have to find out from the paragraph. Otherwise, I know you know, right? But even then, we'll find out what is the verb. You always consult, just see what is given in the text, because they will check from the answer key, and then if it will not match, sometimes your answer can be wrong. So let's see, you just find out from the paragraph only, that's preferable. Okay, then troisième, c'est quoi? Un adjectif qui veut dire. An adjective means one adjective you have to find out. Qui veut dire means which means. Qui veut dire, which means l'eau qu'on peut boire. L'eau qu'on peut boire means the water which we can drink. See, this word I already used many times because it was there in the question. L'eau, that is d'eau potable or l'eau potable. That is potable water which we can drink. But yes, let's check the paragraph. Then we have un mot means a word you have to find out from the paragraph. Pour dire, to say. Des places géographiques, that is a geographical places. Des animaux, of animals. Et des plantes, and plants. Okay, so geographical places of animals and plants. What we call these things, that one word is there, right? That word you have to figure out and you have to mention here. And then we have le cinquième, and this is the last part of this comprehension. Then we'll start reading comprehension. See, that is the text we'll start reading. So here le contraire, the contraire means the opposite. Okay, sometimes children get confused that what exactly they have to give. I mean, what is being asked. So if they are asking le contraire de means the opposite of. So opposite of plus. We call it plus or plus means more. So you have to find out the opposite of this word. Okay. I know otherwise you know very well that is the opposite of plus means more, and the less is moins. But let's see in the paragraph. And now let's read the comprehension. Now you know the questions. It's going to be easy for you because your questions will be there only on the same paper. For me, it's difficult, so that's why I have opened my tab here so that I can consult the questions immediately. All right, what questions they have being asked. So the first question was how many millions. So from the picture we have to find out, right? We can see the picture also. Picture वाला काम पहले खत्म कर लो. Let's see. We have to find out that how many. In just a moment. Combien d'euros dépenses? How many euros they are spending on lutter contre le bruit? So let's see. They have given itne bhai, itne milliards euro. That is billions of euros are there. But on bruit, on noise, how many there? This is something else. Déchets, garbage, low usage. Lutter contre le bruit. Okay, so here they have mentioned this much. And if you notice, they do not put point to, they always put comma. Okay, so virgule. So here we have, anyhow, it's a written paper, so you must know this is simply the virgule the. Okay, milliard diho, because it's all milliard, it's in billions. So this much. Okay, so this is your answer. You can write down. Okay, so next question. Okay, so you can write down selon l'image. Do not write one word, otherwise it's acceptable here, but try to write down the full sentence that il y a selon l'image. They have written a combien de ho, only this much you change. Selon l'image, 2,2 milliards d'euros. Okay? On dépense pour lutter contre le bruit. This way. Then we have the next question. Qu'est-ce qui rend difficile l'accès? Chalo, anyhow, let's read first now paragraph. Huh? Okay. So this paragraph is all about les écosystèmes aquatiques sont en danger. Means the aquatic ecosystem are in danger. Okay, so they are going to talk about pollution and other things. Let's see. So they are saying, let me change the color of this and let me highlight. Les écosystèmes aquatiques, that is the aquatic ecosystems, comme les rivières, like the rivers, les lacs, lakes et les mangroves, sont en train de disparaître. Are en train de means are actually in the process of, means it something is going on. It's a, you remember this is your present progressive tense, en train de, and then full word. En train de disparaître means are disappearing. À cause de la pollution, because of the pollution, these things are disappearing. Du changement climatique, climatic change, et de la mauvaise gestion, and the bad management. All right. So next is management. See, they have given here. They are thinking maybe you don't know this word, so they have given mauvaise gestion de l'eau, that is bad management of water. Ces problèmes rendent difficile l'accès à l'eau potable. These problems make difficult l'accès à l'eau potable. That is the access to the potable water. Yes, this kind of question they asked. Pour des millions de personnes dans le monde. Let me check. Yes, they asked this question. Yes. Qu'est-ce qui rend difficile l'accès à l'eau potable? What makes it difficult to the access of potable water? This can be the answer, but we'll read the whole. Just keep it in mind that these things are the problems. La pollution, changement climatique, mauvaise gestion de l'eau. Ces problèmes rendent difficile. This whole thing is there. Acha, do not write. Sometimes what children do, they write the whole paragraph like this. कि हाँ जी लब लो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ है ना, just find out the answer. They give task to teacher. Okay, you find out the answer from here only. Somewhere here answer is there, you find out. But that's not good. Okay, so that's a bad impression, and moreover your marks will be deducted. So please go for that only. That is see, this is the answer what I think, right? But even then we'll read the whole paragraph. Then they have given les problèmes principaux qui se posent sont. That is the principal, that is the main problems qui se posent sont, which are posing, that is which are happening. So first point they have given moins d'eau dans les rivières. Moins means less. Okay, so this word also we have to find out, no? Opposite, contraire de plus. I remember that is moins. So moins is less. They have already given here. So they said moins d'eau dans les rivières, less water in the rivers. Le débit des rivières diminue. Débit, that is the flow of the rivers. Because less water, then of course the flow is also less. So they are saying le débit des rivières diminue. Diminue means is decreased. Et cela affecte, and this is affecting 107 millions de personnes. I read this thing, I think, let me check. There was a question. Yes, it is in the, yes, this is the question in the vrai faux. Second part, they have given les rivières ont moins d'eau, ce qui affecte 107 millions de personnes. That the rivers have less water, which is affecting 107 millions of people. And yes, this is given here, right? In CBSE, mostly questions are not very complicated and answers are not very difficult to find out. So you can easily find, but you must know the meaning of these words, right? So they have given moi do. This is the thing, huh? So this is true. Say vrai. Vrai faux, if you see the second part, okay, les rivières au mois d'eau, ce qui affecte 7 millions de personnes. So yes, this the whole statement is given here. So that's why the second part is vrai. Okay, that's true. And now they have given pollution des lacs, and related to pollution of lac also, they have given the third part, true, false. And moreover, question number 2 also is similar. That is, quels sont les effets de la pollution sur les lacs? That is, what are the effects of pollution on the lakes? So they have given about lakes. So let's see, read it carefully. Les lacs deviennent troubles et remplis de plantes nuisibles. That is, the lakes are becoming trouble. That is not very clear, right? It's dirty, not very clear. I mean, it's not clear. Rempli the plant nuisible, which is unwanted, plants are growing à cause de la pollution, because of the pollution. So this is the problem which is happening because of the pollution. And they have asked quels sont les effets de la pollution sur les lacs. So yes, this is the line which we can use here. They are asking that what are the effects of pollution sur les lacs, on the lakes. What are the effects? So yes, this is the effect they have given. That is, les lacs deviennent troubles et remplis de plantes nuisibles à cause de la pollution. Cela détruit les habitats. It is disturbing the habitat, that is the habitats pour les animaux, et rend l'eau mauvaise pour la santé, and making the water unhealthy. That is, mauvaise, bad, pour la santé, is bad for the health. Yes, this question also it was being asked, I remember. Yes, this is your vrai faux. Third part, la pollution des lacs rend l'eau meilleure pour la santé. Of course, I told you. In the true false, they have given la pollution des lacs rend l'eau meilleure pour la santé, is making the water uh, better for the health. It's in the true false, they have given one question. I mean, this part. Of course, this is wrong. This is faux, because here they have given Salah de three les habitats pour les habitants, and rend this here. Rend l'eau mauvaise pour la santé, making the water bad for health. See, if you want, I can scroll it for your help. See, they have given the questions like la pollution des lacs rend l'eau meilleure pour la santé. Okay, but actually here they have given here that is mauvaise pour la santé. That is bad for the health, right? You can take a printout also and keep it in front of you and keep on doing answers. That is also a good way for you. Okay. Then Rajan, you see next they have given destruction de mangrove. Mangrove, I already told you, that is a kind of trees, बहुत सारे है ना, and that kind of jungle sort of is there. So destruction de mangrove. Now mangrove are also getting destructed. So their destruction is there. Les mangroves qui protègent. Protège means protects. So which protect l'environnement. Actually, they protect the environment. How? They have given the meaning en filtrant, that is by filtering. This is gerondif. You remember gerondif tense, en filtrant, by filtering. L'eau, by filtering water. Et en stockant, it's again gerondif they have given. En stockant, gerondif is a kind of tense they have given. En stockant means by storing du carbone, of carbon. So they are storing actually carbon and they are filtering water with their, roots, you can say. Disparaissent. So what is disparaissent rapidement? That is les mangroves. So they are saying les mangroves qui protègent l'environnement en filtrant l'eau et en stockant du carbone disparaissent rapidement. So they are disappearing. We got any question? Yes. You see, the question number 4, true, false. And moreover here also. Yes, you see, this is the question related to mangrove also. Pourquoi les mangroves sont-elles importants pour l'environnement? Why mangrove is important for the environment? And yes, I remember there was another question. Fourth one, les mangroves aident à filtrer l'eau et à stocker le carbone. Yes, we just read it. So of course this is vrai. Yes, mangrove help to filter water and store carbon. Yes, here they have given aider verb means help, and here they have given protège l'environnement. They protect environment. If I'm not wrong, let's see. Yes, they have given protect environment. So of course, they protect environment means they help environment only, right? So this one, of course, from true false, if I say that is true, that is vrai. And the question number 3, which they have given, pourquoi les mangroves sont-elles importantes? So that, of course, you can write the full thing like this, full line. Les mangroves, do not write qui, okay? Les mangroves protègent l'environnement en filtrant l'eau et en stockant du carbone. But do not write this, okay? So you can write that yes, it is important because they are asking pourquoi les mangroves sont-elles importantes. So you reply like this, parce que, okay, because of course parce que means because. So whenever anybody asks you question with pourquoi, the way you have done already in the through Vilaketsi also. So if somebody is asking pourquoi, so you reply parce que. So you say oui, mangroves sont importants pour notre environnement parce qu'ils protègent, parce qu'ils protègent l'environnement en filtrant, just remove this, parce qu'ils protègent l'environnement en filtrant l'eau et en stockant du carbone. This will go, right? So this way you can give your answer. And now next is what? En 2023, plusieurs pays ont promis de protéger les écosystèmes aquatiques. So in 2023, plusieurs pays means many countries ont promised, this is passé composite tense, promised. So promised de protéger, to protect les écosystèmes aquatiques, to protect the aquatic ecosystem, but entre 2015 et 2021. This kind of question was there between 2015 and 21. Yes, here. See, your true false fifth part is given. Let me also read from here. See, true false fifth part, les investissements pour protéger l'eau. Investissement, that is an investment, to protect water. Ont augmenté, are increased, have increased. Entre means from this to this year, the investments to protect water have been increased, So is it increased? Let's see. They are saying here that is mais entre, because they said that countries promised that they will protect environment, aquatic environment, but entre 2015 et 2021, but in 2015, between 2015 and 21, l'argent utilisé, l'argent is money, utilisé, used, pour cette protection, for this protection, a baissé. Baissé means low. Augmenté means up. Augmenté. This is they have given, augmenté, les investissements pour protéger l'eau ont augmenté. Yes, they have written augmenté means have increased, but actually in the statement here in the paragraph they have given a baissé, that is have lowered down, decreased. The 15%, they have given even 15% decrease. Okay, 15% decreased हो गया investments. Cela montre qu'il faut plus d'efforts. It shows, cela montre means it shows qu'il faut plus d'efforts pour résoudre ces problèmes. Means it shows that there must be more, must it needs more efforts pour résoudre ce problème, to resolve these problems. D'accord? So of course, that is now they have given the investissement. Here they have given augmenter, but actually baisser. So of course, dit vrai ou faux wala jo hai, fifth number question statement is wrong. Okay, it's faux. Here, let me tell you, Rajay. See, this one is faux because they have given augmenter, increase hoya hai investments, but actually decrease hai. Okay. So next is is there any other question related to this? Okay, let's see. Si le problème continue, les millions. Okay, now maybe this will come. And it's very nice, you know, in board exams that they give answers. You need not to find out the whole like that way. Means one answer is here, one is up here, there. No, they are given in sequence. Questions are there and then answers are also in sequence. It's easy. Okay. So don't be afraid if you have to go for board exam, French board exam. It's not gonna be very difficult, but yes, don't be so relaxed that ma'am said, okay, it's not gonna be difficult and we are chalo chill maar rahe hain and we are not studying. No, but yes, be confident. Yes, you can do it. All right. So next, let's continue. Here we were reading. That is entre 2015 et 2021, now between 2015-2021, les investissements pour protéger l'eau ont diminué. Yeah, this is the direct answer they have given. Ont diminué. Diminué means decreased, right? So investissement, they asked the same way. See, same cheese mil jayegi beta. You see, les investissements pour protéger l'eau ont augmenté, increased, but they have given diminué, decreased. This is the whole direct answer is there. Les investissements pour protéger l'eau ont diminué, has decreased. So yes, that is wrong. Then they have given les mangroves, that is the mangrove, importantes pour l'environnement, sont détruites. These are important for environment. Mangrove are important for environment, are destroyed. Si ces problèmes, now you see the same thing, which they asked one question. Dit vrai and faux wala, sixth part they have given. Si ces problèmes continue, if these problems continue, maybe we'll get answer from here. Si ces problèmes continue, if the problems continue, des millions de personnes n'auront pas d'eau potable. Ah, this is direct answer. See, the millions of people will not get potable water. See, this is the same thing they are asking. Si les problèmes continuent, des millions de personnes pourraient ne pas avoir d'eau potable. This is the same thing they asked and same thing is written here. Si ces problèmes continuent, des millions de personnes n'auront pas d'eau potable. Oui. So this is vrai, huh? See here. This question they are asking, na? Si ces problèmes continuent, des millions de personnes pourraient ne pas avoir d'eau potable, will not be able to have potable water. Then yes, this is true. This is vrai. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Anything else is left? Les animaux et plantes, that is the animals and plants, qui vivent dans l'eau, who are living in the water, risquent aussi de disparaître, are also at risk to disappear because they are not getting their proper habitat, proper environment. So they can disappear. Ensemble means together, nous devons agir. Nous devons means we must or we should. Agir. Agir means act. Means they are actually asking us, okay, Hanji, together we must do something for this, right? Agir pour protéger. We must act to protect nos écosystèmes aquatiques, our aquatic systems. We must do. And this source they have given, this is chalo, none of your business, but otherwise, yes, for practice further sometimes because the comprehensions are always unseen. So you can go for the, newspapers like they have taken this from Le Monde. Le Monde is a newspaper, very famous. Yes, it is in your मीडिया वाले चैप्टर में भी है. दिस इज इन योर मीडिया चैप्टर, Le Monde, that is the world. This is your newspaper, and this is a channel as well. So from there they have taken this resource. Okay, so this way, yes, what I'm saying, that if you want to practice more, you start reading papers like that, or you can get some comprehensions from some paragraphs, from there. It will not be a comprehension like question answer type of over there. No, there will be articles. You can read articles, and you'll come to know many things. You can improve your French that way as well. And yes, if anybody who's preparing for DELF exam or TEF exam, those people can also go for these kind of newspapers, right, to improve your language. Okay, I believe it's done. Your comprehension. Yeah, one thing important is left, that is trouver dans le texte. Now let's find out preposition. Preposition and this, what is the verb form of protection, that is la protection, and how to say this. L'eau qu'on peut boire, it's very easy now. L'eau potable, d'eau potable, with the way I said potable water. This is this answer. Okay, and then un mot pour dire des places géographiques des animaux et des plantes. Okay, and plus also you know very well, that is moi. Okay, so this we have already done from here. Let's see now preposition and protection. Voila. Prepositions, they have given what I found here. Let's just okay, a cause the is also a kind of preposition. I don't know whether people have done or not, but that is also it's a preposition, right? But you can find out the another kind of, that is a. And moreover, they have given low cela effect lemini de personne et là que devient trouble de blanc à cause de la pollution et les animaux ronds. Okay. Let's see. Santé. Pour la santé. Ah oui. Pour is also a preposition. You can find out this. Okay, c'est tout. Hein? One preposition they are asking. You can give a, qui, a cause, the, these are prepositions. And then for protection, we have to find out the verb. And yes, here I got it. Protege. Protege is the verb actually. Maybe they have given the full verb. If not, then protege also you can write down. Let me see if they have given. Month et problème principal postpone and can you find? Hurry up, let's see. Devient trouble rempli pollution et l'habitat animaux. Non, mais pour santé, mangrove qui protège l'environnement en filtrant et plusieurs grandes familles. Protéger. Ah oui. This is protéger they have given. Otherwise, I know protection is protéger only. The verb is protéger, but I just wanted to confirm. If they have given, then please write that only. That is protéger. Right. And then they have given, let me just see here questions. So then yes. Here next is that is your adjective, that is we have done potable, and place geography. This is also moi we have done. This is plus is moi. I saw somewhere in the paragraph moi, and this is habita. Otherwise habita, that is habitat, but let's see if it's given here in the paragraph somewhere. Okay. All right, otherwise this is the habita. You can find in the paragraph. Okay. And voila, I believe this is done. All right. So now we'll do the second part, and then we'll do the third part. There's a grammar one. In grammar, I'll give you in detail each and every, each and every tense. Will even revise, and I'll let you know not only the answers directly. I'll let you know. I'll simply even will revise the whole grammar, that why it is like that, why it is not like that, and how to conjugate this word, blah blah blah. It will be your full revision of your grammar. Okay, so we'll do that and we'll continue.